Hurricane Sandy is currently more than 200 miles east of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, but already its effects have been devastating. Look at this house in Rodanthe, North Carolina. Parts are breaking off and falling into the ocean. Dare County, North Carolina saw nearly 6 inches of rain in the past 24 hours.
We got about 8 to 9 inches of water on our property.
There are many places like Norfolk, Virginia, where low-lying streets are already flooded, and there are thousands of customers without power. 85-mile-an-hour winds are already churning the surf. Sandy's winds could be up to 90 miles an hour this afternoon, just short of a Category 2. All of this power, all of this damage, and Sandy is still well offshore. And we've got to talk about wind and rain from this storm first. Those are first the likely things that will cause the most damage early on in this storm. Quick look at its wind field and it'll show you this is not a coastal system. Watch this thing come on shore and then it spreads winds all the way in toward, well, look at that. Chicago, you're getting winds from this all the way down south. Atlanta, you'll be feeling the winds from this storm. Take a look at the rainfall. And again, this is not just a coastal storm. The heaviest rain is definitely where this storm will come on shore, though, and in that case, it's 6 to 12 inches of rain.
Metro areas like New York City, Atlantic City, Philly, they're low-lying already. So any significant surge, and this place is going to fill up like a basin.
And it will. As a matter of fact, where we're standing right here, there are some places that will see the water exactly what Chris is talking about.
So we're going to take a look now and see exactly what storm surge can do. Sandy's storm surge will be wind and water at their worst.
The ocean literally coming inland here, causing some massive flooding. So that likely the biggest threat to loss of life.
Storm surge forces bodies of water higher and farther than normal. We're talking 10, 15 feet or higher. An extremely deadly wall of water powerfully invading inland areas. Surge effect claims 90% of all hurricane deaths. To make matters worse, Sandy, with her high winds, is getting a head start. A full moon. During a full moon, gravitational pull on the ocean is at its strongest, producing unusually high tides, adding up to 2 to 4 feet before Sandy even gets here.